Welcome back to KP-Collectibles. Got some autograph stuff here. Kind of branching out beyond the Funkos. We're still doing Funkos. We're going to do a lot of Funkos. I've also got, I just ordered a Deadpool bucket list mystery box. Waiting for that to get here. I just ordered it today, so I'm kind of curious on what's going to be in there. So, got this. I don't know what's in here. Have no clue. A lot of paper, apparently. Scare the dogs. I think it's just only maybe it's just the one. Yeah, it's just the one thing. So we're going to move this down here. Is this by him? So growing up, I have been a fan of Mary Poppins. Always loved it. Still do. I'll watch it today. No problem. So we got Dick Van Dyke autographed. It is certified. We're gonna put this in a
frame.
They are no longer doing like cards, the JSA or Beckett certified cards. They're all going to this little thing here, which is a hologram. It's certified. You scan it, and it'll bring it up on their website and that to let you know that it is certified. It will be framed, and it will be up. Yeah, it's going to be up for sale. As much as I want it, it's going to be up for sale. But it's Dick Van Dyke. You know, he's still alive. He's getting up there, though. I mean,
he's getting old.
Wow. That is just awesome. But yeah, there's that. Sorry, it's going to be a short one. I thought there was going to be more to this, but apparently the others are coming separately. KP-Collectibles. It's dash, not whack, but dash collectibles.com. I tried to let a friend know about the website, and he was putting a slash, and it's like, no, it's not a slash, it's a dash. Just straight across. And we've got a bunch of stuff. We're going to add a lot more stuff here within the next couple of weeks. On my days off from work, I'm really going to work on uploading a lot of stuff that I have. So just bear with us. We're still new. We're still trying to get out there. If you got friends that like stuff like this, or the Funko Pops, or I do have a guitar that works, signed by Cheech and Chong, JSA certified, and I actually have the card and the hologram like this. Let them know. And if there's anything you guys are looking for, let us know. You go to the website, there's a little thing that you know, you can chat with us, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we will do everything we can to find it at the cheapest possible rate we can. We do our best. So yeah, you guys take care. Have a great weekend. I think it's Labor Day weekend. You know, peace.